Swear to God, I remember if you turn on the camera a while ago, it's not turn it on, but press the button so you play and press the button. Flickity. Park one. Yeah, I know you out there a long time, but that's what you know. Yeah, man. See things go on, brother. Life get rough on the youth, them, and yo, man, I tell you, like, sometimes I don't even know dog, but then you see them, man, I go and hold it off, you know? Them man a bounce back on them things there. Because sometimes when life take you out, they have to just disappear out of Babylon in the dog, you see? They really disappears. If you don't follow me on the gram then, I don't know somebody still I put out content. On the gram. Not reaction videos, just like regular thing, you see me? I get a call from Big Nose Maxine. She left a message for me answering machine. She said me. Excuse me. As me I say still, I'm there, man. I try like come back. Every time I say me I come back, I drop 2 videos and then not really come back. I try bring back vlogging and bring back my vlogging and them thing there. Like a true YouTuber, when you're coming back, you have to come back and launch a product. Yeah, man, for the people who want to learn how to trade, we'll be doing in-person classes. The only thing I try to figure out now is how much you make it cost. If me have to travel like outside of where me they know, how much more me have to go put on money. This is another like another joke thing for like teaching of a trade or some real like me I teaching a real strategies for trade. You understand? The top strategy them in the trading thing. You can even go and look at Prips. See course here when me set up. Just a look at test. Supply and demand course. And learn all of them like a thing. Yes, it. Almost done still. For the people who that follow me, you know, say like me hear the tall. Yeah, man, they grow me here, man, and do the little peel off side. But then, because me I got ball upon one of them side. Oh, wait there, you gone? Or he fix? He fix? I don't know. He did ball out like right one of them patch a ball out anyways. You know, show now. Then me did put the S curling on my hair and them thing, and that did cause me here to split, and true, me never get to take care of it. It did just get messed up. Somebody say, alright, yo, trim, and go and beat the, you know me? First drop, oh, sitting first drop. Miss Jazz. Yeah, man, you can see some of them a new environment too. Yeah. Girl and them thing they as it. Yeah, man. When she ready for come on camera, I show her off and them something there. But for now, we keep her off our camera thing. So I just do this as a little vliggity. Till me I try to get back in it, man. As for what I gotta do, I don't know. And as for the entertainment aspect of the other 2 channels, I think for like hire people for do work. It's been an idea from a like long time. Long time I sit down in the back of my brain and say, oh, when I contemplate coming back, I say, might as well just hire some people and make them go on do that while I go on do something else. At the same time, I go there behind the scenes, I produce the content, like the ideas of what it should be, and then we just have some people who execute it. I don't feel like one day in front of the camera as much from like an entertainment perspective. It's not all like the way there yet. Like me back there, yeah, more get back in front of the camera and just be a nonsense on them things. No, it reaches it. So I figured that out. Keep an audition. People just try out. I mean, if you feel like you can't even fit the slot right now, you can just me not even know if you point the camera anymore. But yeah, if you feel like you want to do that, can let me know. Email me. Kevin2crazy@gmail.com. Link me up on Instagram. Say, yo, Kevin, if you're there in Kingston, it's good for you. Good opportunity for you if you're there in Kingston. I feel like I'm doing like a quick little update on how I go on. For the past couple of years, when I try to do, I finish up the course. As soon as I finish up this, I teach people. I know say a whole heap of people interested in it. I don't know I'm going to roll to earn the money now, really. You see me? Spend the right way to learn the right thing. I go through the nonsense already of learning the foolishness, you know, before I reach it. So I'm saying, alright. I learn the right way so I can teach some people. Formulate a little course. You understand? I look kind of clean though. Most girls love me so. Them kiss them, hug me so. Some say, oh, you ugly so. But I know nothing if some say so. Because them still want to send on the all it dumb say so. Sometimes if you build back. I fly out the other day and them thing there, I got foreign and them sitting there, brother, and I come back. I don't even do that. I think for vlog, and I say, oh, just now I feel it, brother. Now I feel it one bit. And basically, there's something there with the whole of YouTube still. I really feel it like one time. I forgot. I pray for the vibe and the energy come back, you see me? Reaction videos, Nah, I go back. Making good money from it, yes, but the stress where he put me through. And then people always ask like why you stop the reaction videos. After me make a video but tell you why me I do it, people still ask why me not do more. People brain tough in a dog. People brain tough in a brother. Yeah, so this together so you can get it and upload it. And then we can put this on my phone and chop it up on my phone. And you think we can chop this up on my phone? I am chopping it up on my phone. I am chopping it up on my phone. I don't even remember over here some I look when my face look at so but you can't really see when I look at my glasses kinda. You see me? I see like some obscurities. I don't know if that's a word for go right that's all, but I say it. Obscurities. So much for having a college degree. Fully! Anyways, I think we do enough talking. I'm gonna try to come up with things to do like a daytime so I can take on a long journey. If me not work. Hey man, I find a work now, I find a work. Not no work when I allow me to be flexible, but I find a work, brother. Alright, look more. Me tell you no more about it when yeah. Alright, look more.